What's up, my Pugnios? Andy with Tech Influence here, going over the fabric case from the folks at Mous. This is for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and it's a great way to have a substitute for their fine woven fabric case that came out last year. It only lasted a year from Apple. Mous has really leveled it up by adding their Limitless 8.0 technology, which features really high quality TPU material, drop grade protection, AeroShock technology with enhanced corner protection, as well as making the case 25% thinner. Being able to use MagSafe is fantastic, but before we jump into that here, I do have to let you know that Mous did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability, including a bunch of other colors like the speckled white, as well as some of the other ones like sage that you can jump into. With that said, let's go and unbox this, demonstrate it here on the 16 Pro Max, and see if this is something you're interested in. All right, let's go over the fabric cases from Mous. This is way better than the fine woven. This integrates their Limitless 6.0 technology, which is awesome. I'm really excited to be able to have this now on their fabric. I opted into colors that kind of match my alma mater, as well as my phone case. So I've got the stone as well as the marine, which are kind of your classic colors here. It comes in a couple of different options if you want, like the speckled white. As you can see here, they're made out of this high quality TPU and polycarbonate material. You've got this woven fabric, which is nice and durable, that gives you a nice ergonomic grip on the backside, as well as providing scratch resistance. The Limitless 6.0 technology features this ergonomic grip along the side with the extra protection around the corners featuring AeroShock. You've got the wrist strap there on the side, cutouts on the bottom. You got this hefty cutout here for the camera control with an additional wrist strap there as well as the microfiber material that's really soft and cushiony on the inside. The corners there have the AeroShock protection. It's like a silicone rubber on the inside, so it's going to give you that impact protection as well as protection there on the corner with the camera bump. The same can be seen for the stone. I like the stone because it matches my desert titanium. This one's really sleek with buttons that are plastic in nature, and the whole function there is very rigid and robust. Let's go ahead and throw on the desert titanium. As you can see here, it looks really clean with that stone on there. I like that. You can see the fabric there is very fine woven, no pun intended, giving you nice scratch protection, but also feeling really nice and ergonomic to the grip. Buttons are nice and clicky. You got this raised bezel here, which is nice. It gives you a forehead and chin protection, so if it lands on its face, it's not going to break your phone while still not impacting your screen protector at all. My only big issue here is the camera control. You still have full function of the camera control, but you have this big old cutout here, which might leave you a little more susceptible to risk if you have an active lifestyle. Nonetheless, it's nice and grippy in the hand. You've got MagSafe capability, being able to charge with something like the Anker 621, 5,000 milliamp battery at 5 watts. You can do a Qi charger, which gives you the maximum wattage there. It's like 15 watts, I believe, although the iPhone can go 25. Or if you wanted something that's a little more content creation friendly, you've got the SnapGrip Pro, which has a 5,000 milliamp battery at 15 watts. You've got access to the ShiftCam accessories on the back. You have a shutter button. You also have that battery there that's going to charge you at that 15 watt standard as well, which is nice. The Fabric Limitless 6.0 case is great, and what's awesome as well is this features a 25% reduction in thickness, and so you've got a much thinner phone case, a little over 2 millimeters, which is nice, which is better than in the past having this bulky case. It's exciting, I like it. The stone really works well with my desert titanium. It just looks really clean in the hand. I really like how durable the fabric is. It's really woven finely, and the case is super durable to give you that drop grade protection. It's much lighter, it's got an ergonomic grip, and it's MagSafe capable. I am a little bit upset about this big cutout here. Being able to use your camera control is nice, but it does reduce the overall protection of the unit itself. With that said, Mous did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. I'll have links to the products that I went over here down below in the description. They do help out the channel. With that said, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. This is Andy with Tech Influence. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.